Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making chia seed pudding. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Chia seeds are very good for digestive health, so make sure you try this recipe. Today I will be trying to make chia seed pudding for the first time. You will need chia seeds, which is a superfood. I'm hoping it just helps with my digestive health issues. Digestive health is one of the main things you want to work on when you're trying to lose stomach fat, and I'm trying to lose some stomach fat, okay? So we got some chia seeds. We have almond milk. I'm using almond milk. You use whatever milk you would like, but I'm using almond milk. The other milks give me gas. And then we have some blueberries, and I have some honey. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 cups of milk. I'm using frozen berries, so I'm going to use a little bit less milk to make this come out as pudding, but I'm going to show you how I make it. Here we go. Got 2 tablespoons. One's in there. Going to add 2. I'm using a coffee mug because I do not have a measuring cup on hand. I'm just going to pour my almond milk in there. This is an 8-ounce mug. Pour it in there. Correction to this video, you need to use the whole pack of chia seeds for this recipe. To that, I'm going to add my blueberries. These are frozen, so I reduced my liquid a little bit. Okay. And then after you mix all of this together, kind of eyeballing it to see. I'm going to put granola on top of mine. I'm going to put some honey in here to sweeten it. Say 2 tablespoons, but if you got a sweet tooth, you got a sweet tooth. You know, if you can mix healthy and bad together, this is probably going to be your best solution. Got to mix that together. You're going to let it sit for 2 minutes and stir it again. It's already activating, and chia seeds double in size. It's a filler. It's good for digestive health. And this is what they call overnight oats, but it's the chia version. And if I can find something to make my body healthier, then hey, I'm with it. There we go. This is the result of my chia seed pudding. And as you can see, this pudding is not just in the bowl. It really tastes like whatever you put it in. So I use vanilla almond milk. Oh my God, it tastes like ice cream. But for texture, I add a little granola. And that is chia seed pudding. I'm eating it at night because I just want to see what it does. You know how you wake up in the morning and your body flush everything out. So, yeah, I'm kind of going to see overnight versus eating it and then going to work. But try it. I'll give you an update.